Right, so this is a special announcement for all the teachers that follow my YouTube channel. I'm starting a business called Byrom STEM Kits. The website will be byromstemkits.com. Right now I only have one thing on there, and it's going to be the nightlight kit. The nightlight kit I've been working on for about a year now, and I've decided to make it as good as possible so that you won't have any problems. So the first thing that's really nice about it is that the cable is just a really nice cable. The LED is a super ultra bright LED. I've made it so you can control how dark it has to be for the light to turn on and off. It has a capacitor so it fades in and fades out. All sorts of really cool things that you normally don't see in a typical nightlight project. And so the price right now, I think I've been able to get the price down to $4 if you buy a classroom set of them, or $5 each. That matches what most electronic kits are right now. Although right now nobody that I know of includes a nice USB cable. Right now you have to buy 9-volt batteries for most kits, which makes the price go up even more for all the kits that you're buying. So hopefully this is you can see that this is going to be a much better deal. And right now I have enough to sell 1,000 of them in order to get the price down to what I've been able to do. So go to the website and purchase them, or you can contact me and let me know how many you would like, and we can get in touch. Anyway, so hopefully there'll be more and more stuff as time goes on. Another thing that's really cool about this kit is that you can 3D print stuff to go over the light. I made it so that the light is further away from everything else, and that makes it so that there's room to put a 3D printed object over it as your diffuser. I have this one that's a unicorn, and the other one was a moon. Okay, you can find all sorts of stuff on Thingiverse, or you can have your students design their own. This is a project that can be as easy or as complex as you want it to be, depending on the skill level of your students. So hopefully you find this interesting, and let me know in comments below if there's anything else you would recommend for it, and I'll try to make changes as I can. Right now I have 1,000 that I can't, but I think everything's going to be great. And just go over to the website or contact me, and we'll see what we can do and make it work for everybody. Thank you.